We are all human beings and we all feel sad sometimes. But if sadness right now is just too much for you and you would really like to uplift your mood fast, and give me the next 5 minutes to walk you through my singing meditation for happiness. If you would like to see the whole video, it's 10 minutes long, and just comment happy below and I'm going to reach out and send you a link. For those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Energy and I create singing meditations to help you feel inner peace and joy and to help you find a connection to your true self again. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you a snippet of my singing meditation for happiness. Enjoy! We're going into humming now. like to see the whole 10-minute video, then just comment happy below and I'm going to reach out and send you a link to the free video.